Normally you can see the sea from here, but this is sand from the Sahara. You can see the sand rising there. And that is really bad for some people who have asthma and other problems with the chest, but that's what it is. Sand. So we've got a bit of a sandstorm. But look around. Not much greenery there, is there? But then it don't rain. Look at the wall there, it's made of bamboo. And so this is the roof terrace, look. Bamboo. Imagine all that furniture out if it's going to rain. So it proves one thing, it doesn't rain here much. Let's have one look at the sand. There it is.